Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a roasted garlic and herb aioli. Aiolis make a fantastic dipping sauce or a spread on a sandwich or a wrap. We're going to be making our aioli from scratch today, so don't get discouraged. It's very simple. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 4 to 5 cloves of roasted garlic. If you're not sure how to do that, I have a video for it and I'll drop a link for it in the description. We also need 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 whole egg plus 1 egg yolk, half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of a Nutri-Oil like vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. In a large bowl, we're going to take our garlic and our salt, and we're going to mash this up until we get a nice smooth paste. Once we have a nice smooth paste, we're going to add in our mustard and our lemon juice, and we're going to stir this together. Now I'm going to be using an immersion blender to make this, so I am going to go in with my eggs and all of my oil, and we're going to slowly pulse it together until it is combined. In a matter of seconds, our aioli is done. We're going to go in with our fresh parsley. This is going to add a little bit of a taste, but more for color. And we're going to get a taste of it real quick and adjust the seasoning. That's good. Just needs a little bit of salt and pepper. And there you have it. That's our roasted garlic and herb aioli. It's really that simple. Now you can store this in an airtight container in your fridge for about a week. Now let's get a taste. All right, let's get a taste. I'm gonna be trying it with French fries today. It's rich. The roasted garlic flavor is amazing. It's there, but it's not dominating. The herbs are a really nice touch to it as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link for that in the description. We also have a Patreon account if you wish to support the channel. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.